This is a complete line kaolin clay washing plant, including a feeder, belt conveyor, spiral washer, attrition scrubber, trommel screen, wheel washer, dewatering screen, hydrocyclone, thickener, and filter press. Flowchart explanation. 1. Use a forklift or excavator to feed the raw materials to the hopper. Through an electromagnetic vibrating feeder evenly feeds the raw materials to the belt conveyor, and the belt conveyor will send the raw materials to the spiral washer. The function of the spiral washer is to disperse, stir, and clean the agglomerated kaolin clay. 2. Enter the attrition scrubber for further cleaning. The function of the attrition scrubber is to better rub and fall off the sticky slime from the kaolin. 3. After washing by the attrition scrubber, enter the trommel screen to sieve out big waste stones which are sent to a far place by belt conveyor, and the material under the screen enters the double spiral sand washer. 4. The overflow of the first stage of the double spiral sand washing machine is kaolin concentrate. The underflow goes to the second stage of the spiral sand washer for washing. And the overflow of the second stage is kaolin concentrate. The underflow goes to the wheel sand washer. 5. The overflow from the wheel sand washer is the concentrate. The underflow goes to the dewatering screen. 6. The under-screen materials of the first dewatering screen are the kaolin concentrate. The over-screen materials go to the second dewatering screen for dehydration, and the over-screen materials of the second dewatering screen are coarse particle waste. Use a belt conveyor to send away, under the sieve is the concentrate. Kaolin concentrates under the screen of 2 dewatering screens in the number 2 pond. Kaolin concentrate from the overflows of the 2 spiral sand washers and wheel sand washers into the number 1 pool. 7. Use a slurry pump to send number 1 pond concentrate into the number 1 cyclone group. The overflow of the cyclone group is kaolin concentrate, and the underflow flows to the dewatering screen for dehydration, and under the dewatering screen is a concentrate which goes into the number 2 pond. Over-screen materials are medium particles of waste, which are transported away with a belt conveyor. The underscreen concentrates of 4 dewatering screens are all in the number 2 pond, and they are pumped to the number 2 cyclone group with a slurry pump. The underflow of the number 2 cyclone group goes to the dewatering screen, and the overflow is kaolin concentrate. 8. Finally, the overflow of the 2 cyclone groups, kaolin concentrate, will flow to the final kaolin concentrate pool. 9. Use a slurry pump to send kaolin concentrate into the thickener for concentration, then through the slurry pump send it to the filter press for dehydration, and finally get the dry kaolin concentrate without water.